In this video, we're going to talk about how applying for PPP forgiveness is different if you qualify for the EZ, the 3508 EZ. So in order to avoid confusion and complication for our financial institutions using our tools, the entry point for any PPP forgiveness application is the same. So it's here, apply for forgiveness, and then with your unique credential right there. And this is co-branded just like the 3508 long form. And indeed, it starts off as the exact same workflow, and we'll show you how it differs when we get a little bit further on. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the first two tabs here. I'm going to click submit, and the system is going to email me momentarily. So I've just clicked the link in the welcome email in my inbox and set my password, and now I'm in the portal. So I have a little message that reminds me I need to complete my PPP forgiveness application. So I'm going to click Let's Go. And note here that we're asking, as we're about to start the questions about forgiveness, we're asking those questions that would determine whether or not I am eligible for the EZ route versus the 3508 long form. So if I answer affirmatively on any of these three, basically, which are questions about the level of complexity of my forgiveness application, I'm going to be routed that direction. So I'm just going to choose the top one, and I'm going to click Next. And if you compare the workflow here to the long form, you'll notice that Schedule A is not present at all. And then if we were going to go into more detail, we would see certain questions that are present in the long form application have been removed because they're not part of the EZ. But the workflow is still the same as the borrower. I'm going to be guided through the various fields that I need to complete, submit my documentation, and then ultimately certify that everything's correct and submit that to my financial institution, who will then receive an email notification letting them know that they have a new forgiveness application to review, and it will be in the same status as 3508 long form applications. On the lender side, I will just have a shorter document to review.